Improperly sloped gutters causing standing water can mess up your whole drainage system and lead to serious home damage real quick. So, first off, check if your gutters are actually sloped right by using a level or just eyeballing it. Gutters need to slope about 1/4 inch for every 10 feet towards the downspout. If you spot standing water, don't freak out, but do act fast because stagnant water can cause leaks, rot, and even attract critters. If you're DIYing it, loosen the hangers or brackets holding your gutters and gently push them down towards the downspout to get that slope fixed. Make sure to tighten the hangers securely afterward so your gutters don't sag later on. Also, clean out any leaves or debris because clogs can block water flow and make the slope useless. For longer gutter runs, double-check slopes at multiple points since your gutters might not be straight or have dips. Last thing, consider installing gutter guards to reduce debris buildup and keep water flowing smoothly all year round. One of the biggest mistakes with gutter slope is not getting the angle right, which leads to standing water that just sits there. Fix that by adjusting hangers evenly along the gutter length. Another common problem is ignoring clogged gutters. Even perfectly sloped gutters won't work if leaves and dirt block the flow, so regular cleaning is key. Lastly, using the wrong size gutter or having too few downspouts can overwhelm your system during heavy rain, so make sure your gutters and downspouts match your roof size and rainfall patterns. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to gutter repair and maintenance. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making it easier to get reliable home improvement jobs done right.